Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Legaspi, and once again, meron na naman tayong bagong tutorial and it's about TIN, okay? Or yung ating tax identification. Alright? So, yun nga, di ba lahat tayo naman siguro naka-receive ng email from YouTube na this coming June, magkakaroon na po ng deduction si Google Adsense. Okay? So, deduction. Kaltas. Okay? So, yun nga, yun ay tuturo ko sa inyo kung paano tayo mag-update ng ating TIN information doon sa ating Google AdSense account. Okay? Pero syempre, bago ang lahat, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, is mag-like ka na and mag-subscribe sa aking channel. And also, don't forget to hit that bell button para lagi kang notified sa ating mga bagong uploads and sa ating mga bagong tutorials. Right? So, without further ado, guys, tara na. Start na natin yung ating tutorial. Okay, so pakita ko muna sa inyo yung email na receive ko, no? So ito nga. Sabi, you're reaching out because Google will require to deduct US taxes from creators outside US. Okay. So, nasa Pinas tayo, so kasama tayo dito. Pero, kapag tayo nag-fill out ng ating TIN, syempre, marireduce or mababawasan yung ating mga tax duties. Okay? Alright. So, yeah. Ayan. Over the next few weeks, we will be asking you to submit your tax info in AdSense to determine the correct amount of taxes to deduct, if any apply. Alright? Yung mga videos lang naman, guys, or yung mga views or revenue na galing sa US ang madededakan. Alright? So, since hindi naman tayo taga ron, so possible na ma-waive yung tax na yon or ma-reduce. Okay? So, kailangan po natin talaga mag-fill out, maglagay ng TIN doon sa ating Google AdSense. Okay? So, ito ay until May 31, 2021. So, sabi, kapag hindi tayo nag-provide until May 31, Google may be required to deduct 24% of your total earnings worldwide. So, napakalaking bagay po, 24%. Ang laki niyan. Diba? Dami nang kaltas. Tapos, mabawasan pa. Hindi wala na. Huwag na tayo mag-YouTube. Okay. Alright. So, yun nga. So, what do I need to do? Yan. Kailangan nating i-update ang ating Google AdSense account. Alright. Eto. Sabi, how will my earnings be impacted? So, if you provide your tax info, US taxes may only be applied to your monthly US earnings from Google AdSense, revenue earned from viewers in the United States. Through views, blah, 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 lahat ng revenue natin galing sa US. Yun yung may deduction. Okay? So, if no tax info is provided, your tax rate may default to the higher individual backup. So, yun nga, yung 24%. Alright? So, to estimate the potential impact, follow these instructions. Okay, so tara na. Punta na tayo sa ating Google AdSense. Ayun. So, guys, nakapag-submit na ako actually. Alright? So, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to submit again another form. Alright? So, paano? Punta ka sa payment, info, and then, yeah, sa akin kasi, nakapag-fill up na ako, so submit new form. So, kung nakapag-fill up, meron dyan, submit form. Okay? Click ko to, start form, and ang bagong tab. And of course, magpapasign in si Google. Next mo lang or lagay mo yung iyong details. Next is click natin individual. Kasi individual lang naman tayo or I mean ako. Okay, individual sa case ko. Click next. And then, are you a citizen? No, I'm not. Next. Okay, select WA tax form type. So, ako, applicable sa akin ito. Okay? Kasi itong isa is, ang sabi, business entity or individual that earns income related to US trade. So, yung mga, normally, mga nasa US, ito. So, sa atin, or sa akin, na hindi naman ako taga non-US individual, so, akin yung ito, 8BEN, blah, blah, blah. Start, 8BEN form. Tax identity. So, be sure, tama ang details. So, yan yung name. Name mo sa tax mo. BAR. Country of citizenship. right? Then yung tax number natin. So I have to blur out this one, guys. Click next. And of course, yung ating address. So kung ano yung address na isinulat nyo guys dun sa pag-apply nyo ng monetization, same na lang din ilagay nyo para walang problema. Click next. And then, ayan, tax treaty. Yes, resident of the Philippines claiming treaty with the US. So yung no, yung mga taga-US, yung mga nandun. So tayong hindi tayo taga-US, taga-America, dito tayo sa yes. Okay, click resident. And then click kung saan ka nakatira. Ako, Philippines. Alright, and then next is special rates and conditions. So ito na yon. So click natin muna si services. Article and paragraph. Article 8. Withholding 0% reduced. Next, tick natin to as a confirmation. Next is motion picture and TV, YouTube, blah blah blah. Yan. And then yung mababa, of course. And then next, confirm natin ulit. And then next, itong other copyright, blah blah blah. Ayan. And then 15% reduce rate. And then confirm. Next. Ayun. Okay na. So, another confirmation. Tick lang natin. I confirm that I have reviewed. Blah, blah, blah. Next. Ayan. So, are you the person? Oh, no. Signature muna natin. Okay. Type nyo lang yung inyong full name. Okay. Yes, I am the person. Tick. And then next. Okay. Tick natin no. I certify. And then, are you providing tax info? Blah, blah, blah. So, ito, kung naka-receive ka na ng payment, ng sahod kay YouTube, click mo yung pangalawang button. Pero ako kasi bago pa lang tayo ma-monetize, dito ako sa pinakauna. Hindi pa ako nakakatanggap ng sahod. And then, click submit. Okay. And, yun na. Okay na, guys. Approved na. Alright. So, ganun lang po kadali. Alright? So, I am actually pushing you guys na ilagay niyo yung inyong PIN sa Google AdSense. Kasi sayang din, malaking bagay din po yung reduce rates. Okay? So, thank you so much for watching and I hope meron tayong natutunan and I hope na nasundan po natin ang tutorial. Kung hindi man, pwede nyo naman pong ulit-ulitin. And, yeah. Thank you and see you on my next vlog. Magandang buhay sa ating lahat. Bye!